Have you ever made a recipe and it felt like you've been making it your whole life because it's so perfect and it's so easy and it makes so much sense? That's what this recipe is for me. It feels timeless. Even though I'm not aware of any formal recipe like this, and I believe the author made it up, it feels like it's been around forever. It is that good. I hope you give it a shot. Enjoy, let me know what you think. Thanks a bunch. Let's start by slicing thinly about 5 cloves of garlic. In addition to the sliced garlic, we're going to want to get ready about 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and about 1/4 cup of tomato paste. We will want to heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a medium to large skillet. I'm using canola oil. The original author used olive oil. I think whatever you have will work just fine. Once the oil is hot, add your garlic to the oil. It's going to fry for about 30 seconds. Some of the garlic will get golden brown, but you don't want to burn it, so keep an eye on it and keep the garlic moving. After 30 seconds or so, go ahead and add your tomato paste and then add all your spices. You can just add them all at once like I do here. Go ahead and stir all this together. Let it cook for another 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Now we are ready to add our black beans. Just dump in 2 cans of black beans. Stir that up. Obviously the canned beans are already cooked, so all we're doing here is heating things through and making sure everything is well combined. We are going to get ready to add cheese. We will top this mixture with about 1 to 1.5 cups of cheese. I'm using cheddar here. Any melting cheese you have should work, but I think cheddar or cheddar jack is going to be your best bet. I'm also sprinkling some salt on top. Just to make sure we've got that taken care of. That was about 1/2 teaspoon. Next, we're going to get ready to put this in the oven. Put your cheesy, spicy black bean bake in a 475-degree oven. It'll sit in there for approximately 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted on the top. You may find that you want to turn on the broiler to finish the job. If that's the case, feel free. When you're all finished, your black bean bake should look something like this. At this point, either scoop it out into bowls and eat it like a casserole, or you can go after it with some chips and eat it like a bean dip, which is what my family does.